Did you know writing regularly helps you write confidently? Even in the age of AI, writing is still an essential skill. If you're interested in writing or starting to write again, this video is for you. It's part of a 7-video series that you can follow along at your own pace. And this is the first one. I'm Sharifa. I'm founder of Greyish Green, on a mission to help you build your creative confidence so that you can show your talent, share your knowledge, and with joy and with purpose. In this first video, we'll establish where you write. Note 1 is the writing studio, your writing room. Can you answer this question? Where do you write? Where do you love to write? At your desk, in your office, in the library, in a cafe, in a park. Where do you love to write? What's really important is that you're comfortable and feeling totally at ease wherever you find or wherever you decide. Maybe you already know where you write, so I would love to know that. Please do and input that in the comments. I personally like to write in the living room on a sofa couch, and it's kind of warm, and there's some activities but not too much activity, and it's quiet, meaning there's no music. So that's generally the way I like it. I also love writing in the library. What's wonderful to also discover is how other writers write. Where do they write? I'll read from my notes just to tell you some examples. Charlotte Brontë wrote in a quiet room with just a desk, a window, and her imagination. James Baldwin's desk was filled with books, light, and letters. Roald Dahl wrote in a little hut in his garden with a lap desk and a thermos of tea. What's your setup like? Note 2 is your writing method. Nothing in this video is very complex, but it's fundamental. Do you prefer to write by hand or do you prefer to type? Writing by hand is slow and it allows you to reflect. It connects you more to your body. Typing is fast, and you can also copy paste information and move items, paragraphs, sentences easily. But I recommend you do both for different reasons, and you can try out different ways. Some writers write only by hand for most of their writing, which is quite surprising in today's age. So it's really up to you. But I mix. I write for journaling. I write for ideas in my notebook by hand. And I would suggest that you do that as well, especially for this 7-video series. The third point is to think about your writing tools. What are your writing tools? Is it a pen and paper? Is it a certain type of pen, a certain type of paper? All of these little details really help you enjoy the experience of writing. Also note that you will need to have a folder for writing in your computer so that you have a very organized way to always easily find your writing. That's really important. Another consideration for you is to have a lot of fun with your notebooks. Some people love it when it's really messy and lots of doodles. So it's really important to enjoy the writing process and to make it your own, to be experimental, to try things out. That's very, very important. It should be joyful. You should be able to rip out pages if you want. Everything goes. Another inspiring person who shows you can write wherever you want is Rupi Kaur. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. She is a self-published poet. So she became very popular on Instagram, and she wrote these amazing quick posts, and she kept on doing it. And what's really lovely about her is that she wrote wherever she felt like it. She would write on the floor, she would write on the bed, she would write wherever she felt like it, wherever there was space, she just started writing. So it's really important that you feel at ease and with joy when you enter this wonderful medium. You don't need any fancy spaces. You can just find your way, find your room, find your spot, and get into flow state and enjoy putting words down. Now the last part is your assignment. You get to write now. It only takes 5 minutes. So you can take a piece of paper, you can take a notebook, you can write in your laptop, you can write on your phone. For 5 minutes, write the date, the weather, and how you feel. That's the basic. If you need a prompt, a creative prompt for you would be why you want to write. Why do you love writing? Why do you want to write about? What do you want to, what's exciting about writing? It can be, again, bullet points, words, fragments of words. It doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, it would be wonderful if it wasn't perfect. If you want to, you could actually even write in the comments and perhaps inspire someone, inspire each other. So I hope you enjoyed this first of a 7 video series. Do join the rest of it. I would be extremely impressed if you did all 7, making comments along the way. If you found this video helpful, useful, please do like it. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're interested in learning how to write and to get in touch with your creative side, and hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified each time I upload a video. It would be great for you to be part of this awesome growing community. Have a wonderful day.